Are you or someone you know dealing with diabetes or high blood pressure? Have you been looking for healthier alternatives to manage these conditions? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to explore some delicious juice recipes that are not only tasty, but also beneficial for individuals dealing with diabetes and high blood pressure. Let's start with a refreshing green juice recipe that includes spinach, cucumber, celery, and a hint of lemon. This combination is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help regulate blood sugar levels and lower blood pressure naturally. Moving on to a fruity option, we have a delicious berry blast juice made with blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and a splash of coconut water. Berries are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and are rich in fiber, making them a great choice for those managing diabetes. For those who prefer a tropical twist, we have a pineapple ginger juice recipe. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that can aid in digestion and reduce inflammation, while ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory and blood pressure-lowering effects. Another fantastic juice to consider is a carrot-apple turmeric blend. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which can improve insulin sensitivity, while apples add a touch of sweetness without spiking blood sugar levels. The addition of turmeric provides anti-inflammatory benefits and can help lower blood pressure. Lastly, we can't forget the classic green smoothie, made with kale, bananas, almond milk, and a dash of cinnamon. This smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, and fiber, all of which are essential for managing diabetes and high blood pressure. By incorporating these delicious juice recipes into your daily routine, you can take a step towards better health and well-being. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your favorite juice recipe for diabetes and high blood pressure. Thank you for watching.